After the fury of cyclone Montha subsided along the Odisha coast, an intriguing discovery has surfaced from the sea near Gahirmata Marine Sanctuary in Kendrapada district. A partially submerged ship wreckage has become visible about a kilometer off Ekakulanasi village under Rajnagar block. During the cyclone, the sea turned violent with powerful waves and high tides pounding the coast. But as the water receded, locals were stunned to see the remnants of an old vessel emerging from beneath the waves. Experts believe the ship may date back to the British era, judging by its aluminium structure, a rare material for vessels of later times. However, the exact period or origin of the ship remains unclear. Residents feared that the hidden wreck could endanger fishing trawlers and forest department patrolling boats during high tide. They have urged authorities to remove the debris to prevent accidents. Local environmentalist Vijaya Kabi noted that the wreck's design points to a fascinating maritime past and deserves further archaeological study. As the tides rise and fall over Kendrapada shores, the mysterious shipwreck continues to whisper untold stories from beneath the sea.
जो गहिरमथा माराइन सेंचुरी जो अच्छी तारी से अंचल जो भग्नावशेष भाव में गोटे जहाज या लुकायित होउची तेणु यह वर्तमान तदंत सापेक्ष यह अनुमान करा जाउची यह निश्चित भाव में से इंग्रेज समय आउ तार जो गठन शैली एवं लुहा भली जो ऊपर को देखा जाउची ताहा पछरे गोटे विराट इतिहास थाई पारे तेणु ये आ परे अधिक गवेषणार आवश्यकता रही आम भावुचु जे या हुए तो कौन दुर्घटन शिकार होइकिनी कोठी भासी आसी यही उपकूल लगी पारे